Hi, Kenny.
Hi, nice meeting you.
So, tell me about this place. Tell us about Musafir.
So basically, Musafir is like a place for the travelers. So we built it for travelers. We ourselves are travelers. And so then, yeah, we wanted to create something for the travelers. So hence, this place was born. So
Okay.
around, it's been like 5 years, we are running the business like that.
Okay, so give us a small tour of the place.
Sure, come. You can come. So what else?
Yeah. So it has like occupation for 6 times.
Yeah. 6 and yeah, the seasonal off-season dates are different. So it starts from around 450 rupees. It might go higher or lower. It depends on the season. It just all depends on demand and stuff.
Okay, so this is for like common or like male female differently.
No, it's like mixed form. So in Goa, this concept of mixed form works a lot here. So yeah, we prefer having mixed ones here around the place. Apart from that, we have private homes also here in the providers. So yeah, you get have only concept of a common area for that. So you meet from sort of travelers come, you stress recover, you take to handshaking. You get to at the end, you travel solo, but you're going back to the group. So that's the concept happening.
So this has accommodation for how many?
This is also a 6 by also right now it's occupied side of Goan.
Okay. This is another accommodation by
So please sarakabar
Musafir. This is a 2 BHK flat. Right now it is occupied, so we can't see it. Let's move on to another place. Over here we have 2 accommodations. One is occupied by us and it's pretty messed up right now, so we can have a look at the other accommodation right now.
Yeah, come you guys can just have a look at it.
I like the space, like it is very aesthetic. And ये कहाँ पर located? Like where is it located?
It's located in the heart of Anjuna, just 5 minutes away from Anjuna. Just go straight up, take a left, which is Anjuna Beach. And it's very close to the Anjuna flea market, and it's on a very prime lane known as Jump Fishing Road. Yeah, so it's on a very prime location for you guys.
So the beach is the Anjuna beach is like 10 minutes walking from here. And what is the room tariff over here? Like for the room which we saw right now, what is the room tariff for it?
So see, the rates and the tariffs for the rooms are very dynamic. It's like the seasonal rates are different, the off-season rate. So you could just keep it like say on off-season just around 1,500, 1,800. It can go up till 2,500. Yeah, and the season is still go like ranging around 2,500 to 3. And especially December prices are different. Yeah, but then we could keep it like say 1,500, she pay 2,500. That's the bracket for it.
Let's do visit the Musafir Villa and Musafir Hostel.